For the past 30 years, Accel-RF has been involved in helping the semiconductor industry develop new technology for wireless applications. Recently, we've been heavily involved in the proliferation of this technology into the 5G market. Accel-RF has allowed our customers to see the future in a way that's a little bit different than any other way they could see it. The real push for 5G is in the millimeter wave range, which is 30 gigahertz and higher. That technology is very new, very immature, and the applications of that technology and how they drive failure mechanisms or how those failure mechanisms drive performance and the concern for reliability is where Accel-RF is helping the industry. Our systems allow the user who's developing the technology to implement a test that will show the performance degradation with age in the specific area of the wide band gap and wide bandwidth video streaming. From that, our customer can go in and do failure analysis and look at the intrinsic properties of the device and see what is changing that would also correlate to the RF performance degradation. So without our system being able to put the stimulus of the RF on the part as it ages, this knowledge would not be easily gained. We've been very much involved with the leading industry experts in the 5G semiconductor market. We've helped qualify the processes and the technology to a mature enough level that we can actually build devices. Accel-RF has allowed this market to become real faster than it would have been without this technology. We look forward to taking this technology to the next level and using it for the Internet of Things, for cars that want to communicate either vehicle to vehicle or vehicle to infrastructure, and just continuing the proliferation of this market into all the various wireless industries that are going to come on board based on the wideband communications network.